Hey girl, hey, it's your girl J.Lashay, and welcome back to my channel. I know I look funny. Don't do too much. Yeah, I don't have time to be doing all the extra shenanigans today. Your girl is officially, not just a content creator, but an influencer too. I have freaking 6 wigs plus some lashes that I need to do reviews on. The amount of blessings and things that have come through for me this week, and the way I see my life changing in the flash this week is insane. It's insane. And I need this piece of good because, y'all, when I tell you I've been so overwhelmed and stressed, I'm so glad I binge recorded while I was out of town. Because, honey, I wouldn't have had time to even be recording nothing this whole time. And I don't even have time to be doing this, if I'm being honest. So, right now we have one. I don't know which one is in this package. And I'm going to do one right now. But I do have, let me see if they are for delivery yet. Arriving by 1:15. Arriving today, arriving tomorrow. So we got 3 wigs is on the way. And some lashes. We got 2 packages right here. One is supposed to be a wig and one is supposed to be a ponytail. Y'all, if you see I done took my braids down. Just had got them knotless a couple of weeks ago, and I had to take them down because I got all this hair to review. Sounds so crazy to say, but I'm gonna just open them to see which one is which, because I'm gonna do separate videos for each one of them. I'm trying not to show y'all which is which. This ain't the wig. Okay, I can tell by the accessories they put in the bag. This ain't the wig. So we gonna leave that one right there. That's some other hair. Okay, so this is the wig. I'm going to give y'all the specs and everything. And don't even worry. It'll be down in the description box in the link if you're trying to purchase it. I already done did the homework for you, baby. So, let's pull up the specs on this specific wig. So, the wig we will be reviewing today. I already got some on the box. Anyways, the wig we'll be reviewing today. Let me get a thumbnail. It's from the company Latif store on Amazon. This is a body wave wig with the bangs, y'all. And it is 150% density Brazilian virgin hair. It's a glueless wig. This is a 20-inch unit. This is actually the shortest unit I'm going to be reviewing because, honey, I got some 30-inch bust downs on the way. I need something to open it. I'm going to have to rip y'all. Thank you for supporting a small business sticker. I'm sorry. I ain't got no scissors in here. I wasn't prepared. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. You get a little band, look like. So you get like a little accessory band so you can accessorize it, make it cute. You get some wig caps. We love getting those. We like the HD kind now, y'all. Sellers, we like the kind of the HD caps now. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is what it looks like. Oop. I don't know which one of them I'm gonna use for a thumbnail, so I'm doing both. Let's pull her on out the package. We need something. See, I'm glad I got some long ones coming, but I also want some short ones to come too because, girl, it's going to be some hot days where you ain't going to want that 30-inch bust down on. But this is what the hair look like straight out the package. Is y'all seeing the shine that I'm seeing? Is y'all picking up? I hope the camera is doing this wig some justice because right out the pack, don't play with her. Right out the pack, don't play with her. Right at the pack, do not play with her. Inside, sewn by the machine, you can tell all of that. This is what the top look like because it ain't no lace. This is going to be for the people who don't know how to install lace closures, frontals, this, that, and the third, or want to give the lace a break. So we're going to just go ahead and slide that on my big old head. And pull it down. I got to pull this cap up. Okay, straight out the pack. She ain't bad. We gonna definitely style her up though. Cause this is my first time ever having a bang. And I don't know. We gonna just feather her out, play with her. We trying to do the least amount of manipulation as possible to show you how you can just literally wake up, throw this on, and go. Or leave it in your car in that back seat when you need a little extra wig. Or whatever. You might be somewhere looking rough and your little shebang bang tell you to pull up on him. And you have to leave and go pull up on him. Okay, so this is what she giving. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, she giving. And this is a cute little curl to it. This body wave, but it's got a cute little loose curl to it. I will style this so many ways and eat this look up. I will style this so many ways and eat this look up. I keep looking over there instead of looking right here. I will eat this look up. Do I have a do I have a comb in here? She is taking it, honey. And then if you just want the bang all the way across, you can do that too. It's a little long for my eyes. So I'm going to just pull it down just a little bit so y'all can see what the whole forehead action thing will be giving. And then let's go ahead and add on the band and dress her up. I love a good feathered bang. This is bringing back when I was in high school. I don't know how old y'all is and I don't want to tell y'all how old I am. But not too long ago when I was in high school, when we used to wear our hair like this with the bang. We was doing the quick weaves and stuff with them $20 one pack does it all. This is bringing that look back. Okay, I can see me doing something with this. And you can flexi ride this hair or straighten it out. You can add some bigger curls to it, but just straight out the pack. Let me look y'all up. Just straight out the pack. She is giving. Yeah. Lateef hair, y'all done did something with this. So I will see y'all in my next freaking video.